Hey everyone! If you're considering getting the iPhone 16e, you're probably curious about its cost. Let's dive in. As I have seen on Apple's official website, the base model iPhone 16 starts at $599. Higher storage options will cost more, so if you need extra space, be prepared to pay a bit more. The price for the 128GB is $599. The 256GB iPhone 16 is $699, and the 512GB iPhone 16 is $899. Now, there are some factors that affect the price. The final price will depend on several factors, such as storage size, where you purchase it, and whether you are trading in an old iPhone. Carriers may also provide deals or discounts if you sign up for a contract, so it's worth checking various options before making a purchase. You can purchase the iPhone 16 from the Amazon online store. To do this, click the link below to directly access the Amazon store for the iPhone 16e. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.